Right now, you guys are probably listening to the sweet sounds of my air conditioning right there. Now, so you guys can hear me better, I'm going to plug in this little adapter, and you're going to see just how well this mic cuts out the background noise. So here we go. We're going to plug this in. In a few seconds here, you guys are going to see just how well this thing cuts out the background noise. It's truly incredible. These things are super cheap. I can't believe how well they work for the price. They come in a 2-pack, and they got these little clips on them, so you can clip on your shirt, your nose, your ear, wherever you want. And the good news is they're right here on the TikTok shop. So I'm going to do you guys a favor. I'm going to leave the link right there. If you guys are creating content in your house or anything like that, these are an absolute must-have for the price.